Hello and welcome to What is Mosaic Overlay Crochet. So I just wanted to show you quickly what you can do with Mosaic Overlay. If you looked at something like this blanket and think, I'd love to make that, but those charts look just far too complicated, then you're hopefully in the right place. Welcome to Chart Crochet. I'm going to show you that mosaic crochet really isn't as scary as it first looks. I'm Angela from the Pattern Scribe and I design mosaic overlay crochet patterns complete with charts and full written instructions. One of the comments I hear time to time and again is, I wish I understood charts. So that's exactly what this series is all about. So what exactly is mosaic overlay crochet? Let me show this. So we've got two-tone designs. It's simply a way of creating these amazing pictures and designs using just one colour at a time. That's one of the things people are often surprised by. Even though the finished blanket looks really complicated, you're never juggling lots of yarn all at once. You work one row in one colour, cut your yarn and pick up the next colour and work back across. So here's the front of one of the designs and here's the back. Now you'll notice the back looks completely different. That's completely normal with mosaic overlay crochet. They all work in exactly the same way unless you adopt it differently, but no matter what the picture is on the front. How does it work? Well, every pattern starts life as a chart. Don't panic. At first glance it can look like a spreadsheet. But once you understand what each symbol means, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to follow. In this series, we'll break all of this down one step at a time. The really clever thing about mosaic overlay crochet, it only uses two basic stitches, a back loop single crochet and a front loop double crochet. And that's it. You don't need lots of fancy stitches. It's how those two stitches work together that create the picture. The technique is incredibly versatile. You can make blankets, cushions, wall hangings, baby blankets, seasonal designs, pretty much anything you can imagine. And once you understand the charts, every new pattern becomes much easier. What you'll need is not very much. You need a hook, these are my favourites, some yarn, your scissors and yarn needles for sewing in the ends. If you create ends, that's another topic we'll come to later. And of course a pattern. I usually use mine digitally, but of course you can print them out if you want to do so. What's coming next? We're going to be building this up one step at a time over the next few videos. We'll look at how to read the chart, what all the symbols mean, colour changes, negative stitches and borders, and lots of tips and tricks I've picked up over the years. So if you've ever looked at mosaic overlay crochet and thought, I'd love to learn that, you're in the right place. Next time we're going to look at the anatomy of a mosaic chart, and by the end of that lesson all those little squares and symbols will start to make sense. Until next time, keep your hook moving, your stitches even, and remember every chart tells a story. Happy crocheting!